Over the years, I've had a lot of different exercise devices. They always end up in the corner with clothes hanging on them. Then they end up giving them away. So you probably know that drill. Well, my name is Diana, and I know I need to do some exercising. And that's why I was so excited when Ab Cruncher sent me their machine in return for this video. I'm going to go over all the features here. Then you can decide if this would be a fit for you. You know, one of the biggest things I thought when I first got this, is it worth it? Does it have enough resistance to make an impact? Is it solid enough? Is it strong? Is it well made? You know, we've all had those exercise devices. They're cheap. They don't work well. You use it once or twice and then it gets taken to the, donation center, and that's the end of it. And the other thing that's an issue is, can it really go underneath the bed or underneath the couch when you're not using it? Because my other pet peeve after all these years are exercise machines, that are all over the house and you have nowhere to put them. I am looking for resistance training, especially as I lose weight. I don't want to lose muscle, but I don't want a bunch of weights around the house. And this is super exciting. Number one, the resistance is there. Like, wow, I have to tell you, you really feel it. And that's what matters, right? It's definitely given me a workout when I push down. The other thing is, it is solid. This thing is metal. It's super solid. It's not going anywhere. This is a nice cushion. So let me just kind of show you a few things. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to use this. You're going to get this sheet of all the different workouts that you can do. But what I like about it is you don't have to go by this. This is nice. And you do get these, by the way, these resistance bands that you can attach to the machine to add some different workouts. But for me, I just want to work my upper body, work my legs, maybe get some crunches and sit-ups in, but I'm not very strong with my core, so I need a little assistance, and that's what this does. So I'm going to show you a couple things so you can kind of get an idea. And what is nice is they give you the most popular workouts right here on the front. I'm going to show you some things that I would use this for. Number one, maybe just kind of doing some stretching and resistance here. And look, I am getting definitely some resistance, but it's comfortable because it's giving me, I'm bouncing back. And so it's giving me that support when I come back, but I'm definitely putting some work in. And as I'm doing this, I'm feeling it in my core, but it's helping me back up. And it goes the same here for when I'm doing a sit-up or something. I love that it's giving me that support because I feel like I'm still getting a workout, but I'm not on my own coming back up. I have a little bit of support. So this is really nice, but I'm still feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it. And then if I want to maybe do some push-ups, I just kind of put this on the belly part here. And then I can just kind of do some supportive push-ups. I mean, I think this is great for anybody, but even if you have an elderly parent who wants to do some working out, you could just make up some stuff. I'm not even kidding you. I definitely feel it. You're feeling it. I'm not even kidding you. There's definite good resistance here. And these resistance straps, they just attach to the machine using this Velcro here. I love how compact it is. It goes down very easily. And you can set the different levels, so you don't have to have it all the way up for the most resistance. If you don't feel like you can handle a lot, you can, come down to number 2 instead of 3. There. And it's going to go right under your bed. Look how little that is. And it does so many things with one device. I highly recommend this. I love it so far. So definitely check it out.